Hey gals, we've arrived in Cairns, just off the Greyhound bus. Honestly, I've had the grumpiest driver for our last drive.
Smelly.
Oh my
smelly
god.
Man.
These men came on and they sat behind us and they literally stank so bad. It was so bad. We're just gonna get our bags now. We're gonna walk to Milligan. It's like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, so should be there soon. These are the men that smell. On the walk. Mood. At least this is like the last time we're doing a long walk with these fucking bags, because can't hack this. Honestly guys, worst part of the trip has been walking with these stupid little things on my back. These stupid little bleepers on our back. Get these little bleepers off. Welcome to Cairns. Welcome to Cairns. We have arrived. We have arrived. Last destination, super sad on the bus. I was getting really upset. We've made it to Cairns. Here's our room reveal.
The beds are really big though.
Plugs.
Should we go these two top ones?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Lovely little balcony.
You know what?
What's how? Oh, we're on the street side, so we aren't getting as much noise. What's through here? The bathroom. Here's the shower. I'm gonna zoom out. Here's the shower. Me. I don't know why I'm putting my bags down. Toilet. Nice. So far, roomies are nice. A little history overview of the kitchen. So, so here's our room. Here's the kitchen down there. Just going to explore down here. Oh my god, a telly. We are currently just doing a shop in Woolworths. Getting our dinner stuff, having pasta again, of course. Look who's joined us on the shop.
Greetings, vlog.
Here's our shop. Gorgeous. We have completed the shop. My little besties on the floor, sorting the food. Teamwork makes the dream work. We're going on our scuba dive snorkel boat trip today. So fun. It's like 7:30 in the morning. Is it 7:30 in the morning? Yeah. Too early, yeah. Too early. Excited?
Morning, everyone. I've had 2 coffees.
Have you?
Yeah.
Leela, how are you feeling for the boat? I'm excited. Apparently sea conditions are rough, but you know that's not going to stop us. We've taken our seasickness tablets, so ocean, you better watch out for us. That's all I'm saying this morning. Here's our boat. Pretty cool.
Yeah, we are now just having tea and coffee.
We just got a coffee and a muffin. We just filled out our diving forms and now we're getting a little tea and coffee. Leela had to lie on her form because you're meant to see a doctor or something first if you've got asthma. But it's fine. She's never had an asthma attack, so hopefully she'll be fine. Anyway, cheers.
And I was up early the next day.
yellows to browns. That's because of the zoos and Delhi that up down to Coral. So they're just
The first bit of lunch, but it was like rice and ratatouille and dauphinoise potatoes. Getting those C6 tablets in. Second part of lunch. Finished our scuba dive and it was so fun. It was so cool.
We didn't get any pictures.
No, our photographer was not present. We had an amazing time. It was like the coolest thing. One of the best things I've done in Australia slash my life. So yeah, it was sick. We saw like this weird shark thing, it looked like a stingray, but it's not. And just loads of cool fish, and the coral was so cool, like so nice and not dead, which is so good. Yeah, we had an amazing time. Our instructor was super lovely. Here's the hostel, by the way. Milligan. Biggest hostel we've stayed in. Craziest hostel. Actually, maybe not. Maybe not. It's girls' night! We get 5 free drinks! Girls, baby!
It is, no, I haven't got any drugs in
It's so good.
It's so good. It's so good.
Check us. Say hello. Say yes, say hello.
Hello.
Rob, say hello.
Hello. We're about to get into pokies, but I had a great time. This is all my money,
Yeah.
which I've got none of, so it's tonight. My name, can't wait.
Let's splash it.
Fuck off.
Rob, side eye.
If you weren't really old, we could have a really nice conversation. I am so really old. Good. What are you doing here then?
I'm not allowed to have a good time.
No, not if you're really old like you said you are.
I am really old.
Exactly, why are you here then?
This is so sad. She's not me. Travis, opinions.
Katie, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I was in World War, I did good. I so wish I was there. And you're that old. Oh, you're that old. Too loud, too loud. Stop talking to him, man. There we go.
Hey guys, what's last night? Hey girls, eventful day today, to say the least. We're just going out for dinner now, about to get pizza. Not much to say, we haven't done anything in the days, we've just been going out at night. We literally get up at like 1 every day, have some food, chill, go out. That's what the last 3 nights have been.
Literally. Do nothing in the
Yeah,
day.
literally nothing. Tomorrow we're going on our waterfall, like Uncle Brian's tour, crocodile tour thing.
Exciting.
Yes,
The itinerary
the
looks
rainforest, here we come. Rainforest, watch out for these girls. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, that's what's going down with us. Really not much to update on, hence the lack of vlogs in Cairns, but
All nights out.
yeah, well hopefully I'll remember to show the pizza. Restaurant. Here's our yummy pizza. What do you rate the pizza out of 10? 9. Yeah. Morning everyone. We're on our Uncle Brian's tour. Like a little coffee. I had like 3 hours sleep last night, so I'm a bit shattered. It's so nice, we're in the rainforest and it smells of rainforest. Like, you know, that rainforest smell, it's so nice. I don't even know where we're hiking to, but there's some more, the waterfall rocks. It is so hot right now.
Why did I put something on my face?
Here are the waterfalls, things, rocks. You look
For you guys, maybe.
Katie, do you want to pass?
Not for me.
yes. Thank you, Leela.
Oh, it's so hot.
biggest banana bunch ever recorded. I think it was over 58 kilos. Damn! Must be Jamaican, eh? Jamaican bananas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Really big. Really big. Pretty crazy. So now we know if it gets too full and nice and safe. Now, yeah. Now what's really bad is underwater currents. So what they'll do is someone's swimming, sucks them under, and they literally drown. It drowns them, and then they're stuck under the water for 3 days. And it was like, where's my mate Timo? He's bloody dead, isn't he? And then he comes back 3 days later, all bloated and salty. That was delicious. Yeah. It wasn't mountains.
Hey, we've just arrived to Josephine Falls. Let's have a little look. It looks so cool, guys. Guys, we've got a story time. Leela had a leech on her toe, in her toe crack.
Some emergency doctoring.
Yeah, Isaac, influenced by...
Do you want to see the wound?
Show us.
What is it?
Leela!
Yeah, but it's bleeding.
Yeah, it's
Hey, we're at lunch. Here is our lunch. Chicken and pasta. And Christmas. With a view.
I can't see shirt.
Hey, bestie! That's so funny.
Yeah. Was that your favourite so far?
Yeah.
They were live.
Go in the right, sorry, I'm about to go in the hole, I'm like, Caleb, below the tail. The cow moves its freaking tail one turn. I'm about to go through the vagina. So it's like, Caleb, wrong hole. Everyone's laughing at me. I'm like, ah, so embarrassing, you know? So I finally go to the right.
Here we are, Lake Eacham. We just swam in Mila waterfalls. It was so nice. We're having like the best day. The best day. So much fun. And we're gonna have muffins. And
Nothing happened bad.
And hot chocolate. And hopefully see some little turtles. Looking langers. Looking langer.
Oh. Little snacky. Good.
So this is the room. Guess who got the double bed? Leela. Obviously such a win. So today what did we do? Went to a couple waterfalls, went to a lake, saw some platter pie, and now we're about to have dinner and then go for a canoe. A night canoe along the river. About to have some steak for dinner. Living it up, guys, let me tell you that. But yeah, lovely little day, a wholesome day, cute stuff. I'll put some footage in of us in the waterfall because Leela had her waterproof in case, so I'll put that in.
That's sick, I can't lie.
Here's our dinner. Lovely steak. Here's the steak, guys. I think this is pretty medium, which I'm quite happy with. Loving that life. That looks good. Look at that pinkness. Second day of our trip, and we're now at Daintree Rainforest. We saw some wallabies this morning. I put that in. Oh guys, we're at more wallaby rocks. Look how cute. Look at them.
It's so cute how they grab onto your hands.
They're really soft.
Sitting in the back of your foot.
I fell on my head.
They're so cute.
I think it's all gone, mate.
And now we're going on our crocodile boat tour. Don't really know what to expect. Hopefully we see some. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I had a nice morning. Got up at 6. So it was a bit of a rough one for me. Glad we got up because the wallabies were so cute. And they were so not shy. What's the word? So tame. They kind of remind me of like our dogs. I don't even know why. Like it's just like
they reminded me of
yeah.
Archie.
I was like thinking of
that
Charlie. I was like, oh my god, like you are a wallaby.
Males will have their territories where they have their nests. So it'll be
Seeing our first baby crocodile.
Push your phone to the window, you sausage. There we go. Now, a last thing I will say is actually there is a berry. So there's a tree called the prickle bush. The is I forget the name of it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not perfect. But the prickle something bush. It grows in higher altitudes, really high altitude, like 1,600 plus, 1,300 plus probably. And so the tree kangaroo will eat these berries, and it relaxes their eye muscles. Their eyes literally roll back inside their head, and they're like blind. Yeah, and they literally turn into drop bears, and then wazzaroos. Yeah, they fall and die pretty much, guys. Good times. So yeah, I've asked a friend of mine, a ranger friend, he reckons about 6 to 8 berries would actually work on a human. So mess with your friends, it'd be kind of funny, I reckon. But you know, that's just me. Pretty cool. Wait a while, yeah.
Is that lunch? Some water. Go under the water, swim underwater.
You can't see anything.
Yeah, I know. Hello! Wait, go under.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, we're in Port Douglas now. Just got here, just had a little nap on the bus and it's so nice. Just exhausted. We just went to a little pool thing to swim in. Now we're just at Port Douglas Beach. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the view right now. It looks really cute, like really nice. But we've had a good day. I'm just getting so tired now. The early mornings actually kill me off, guys. They really do. I think we'll be having an
evenings, so we get to add that there.
and the late evenings, yeah. I had my longest sleep last night in like a week, so that's an achievement and a half, isn't it? Good evening!
Laughing and crying.
We just had a weird story, so we've just got ready, well, had showers and stuff, and we were going to eat at the bar, in the hostel bar, but the time's shut at 9 and it's like 9 now, so we're going to get Domino's, which is $26 for the 2 of us and 2 sides. So cheap, that's like literally like £7 each. Going to get Domino's, we're leaving the hostel, and this guy like comes towards us and he's like, I'm gonna kidnap you. And we were like, well, I literally just kept walking and Lila like ran off. Like she actually ran back to the hostel and ran back to
And he looks at me, he goes, I was just joking.
yeah. And I was like, well, I was like behind me, I was like, where's she gone? She actually has been kidnapped. But yes, she didn't get kidnapped. Near kidnapping experience. But yeah, on our way to get the pizza. Lila literally gone. I was like, what? So funny. Yay! big
Right,
night
so there's
tonight.
beef, right?
Big night.
Big night tonight. Big night.
Hurricane Sun and the tiara.
Shout out to
Poor
Milligan.
Katie as well, to be honest. Oh, I'm so bold.
He is bold.